Yo homes, welcome back to another Illustrator tutorial, and in this one I'll teach you how to convert an raster image to black and white of the raster image inside Illustrator itself without losing any quality of the image. Now the trick to do it is very simple, and you can do it to convert images into colors other than black and white as well. But before I go to that, let me give an introduction. What you're seeing is a post I am developing for my Insta. I'll add a link to it in the description below. And the typeface you're seeing is a custom one I've been developing. I'll add a link to that too as well once it's done in the description below. Now moving on to the trick. Once we have the image we want to convert into black and white inside Illustrator artboard, we need to create a shape, a rectangle generally, but any shape which covers the part of the image we want to convert to black and white. And it has to be black, absolute black preferably. You can use a softer black as well. We're going for the absolute one, has 000000, and cover the part of the image with it on top of it, and change its blending mode, the opposite type, to color, and that's it. The advantages of using this method over Illustrator's default way of converting images or anything to grayscale, which is black and white, is that it's not limited to black and white. You can use any color, and you just need to use the darkest part of the color. Like if you want it blue, so use a dark blue. So what it does is implements the color on top of the layer depending on how dark part of the layer is. So the darkest part of the layer image will be exactly the color you are using over it, and the lightest part will be towards lightest shade of the color, and white will be white, and the darkest black will be the color, in this case black, which converts the image to black and white. So that's it homes, thanks for watching the video. Do like and subscribe for more similar content. Use the comment section to have a conversation. Let me know what you like or dislike about the video, your suggestions, queries, etc. Flex your knowledge by sharing it with your friends, and download my stock images, illustrations and clips from my 2020 and Stock account. Link in the description below. Once again, thanks. See ya. Keep creating and sharing.